This is how you replace the broken door handle. Today we have something special. We're going to replace broken exterior outside door handle on 535B Caterpillar wheel skidder. As you can see, the original one, 20 years old. It has been in use for 2 decades and it's not good anymore. It's cracked, it's broken, and you cannot open a door from outside. Luckily Skidder has 2 doors. You can use left one, but right one needs to get back to work as well. All right, let's get into it. I have a brand new OEM, nice and clean door handle. Here's the part number, and it also came with a new seal. Let's take the old one off and put a new one. First, let's take whatever is inside that door compartment. And then the extra weight. All right, it's empty. If you're not a subscriber, take a second to subscribe. Very appreciated that. 5mm Allen socket. To remove 2 Allen screws holding interior door handle. Okay, screws are removed. Let's pull the handle out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 Allen mushroom head screws. 4mm Allen socket. Make sure Allen socket fits all the way. So easy to round the head. Just give it a light tap and go slowly. There we go. 1 screw is removed. All 4 Allen screws came right out. None of them stripped. Okay, let's take that panel off. It should come out. There we go. Let's put it on the ground. Now you can see inner part of the door. Here is a bottom lock. There's the upper part. Let's disconnect our bottom arm. Here's a clip. Just push this retaining clip aside like that. Load it down and pull the pin out like that. Now we're free. Upper lock mechanism disconnected from the handle. Nice. And tray, make sure you don't lose anything. 8mm socket, and we have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 8mm screws holding the handle. 4 screws are removed. We have 2 brackets, upper and lower one. Now we can pull the handle out. Here we go. And here's our broken handle. Yeah, not repairable, scrap. And let's go and compare the new one to the old one. There we go. And as you can see, on outside they look identical. Let's flip them over. And on inside as well. Nice. When you go order a handle, you need to know if it's left or right, because they're not interchangeable, they're different. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 mounting points, same profile brackets, spring, all work. Let's apply a new gasket. As you can see, nice and spongy. Don't know how good to the sponge. Let's just center it like that. Beautiful. I like it. I don't think we need this piece. Well, I have no application. Before installing a new handle, let's clean the area where the new handle will spend the years of its life. Make sure everything's clean. like that. And also we'll give a splash of brake clean. Just wash it that way. We won't have any dirt. Same on outside. I'll clean this dried up mud, which we call dirt. We'll wash good enough. Guys, if this video is helpful, informational, interesting to watch, put a thumbs up. Appreciate that. If you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. Might as well, let's just clean all this dust that's inside the door panel. Time to put a new handle in. The lock is facing up. We're putting a new handle in. Same way as we removed the original one. Let's align the rod. Then use our pin clip to secure the rod. Like so. There we go. Now it's in a position. Now let's start the screws on the bottom. Hold on bracket. Always go a few threads by hand like that. Make sure it's not cross threading. Alright. Upper one. There we go. As you can see, handle is a little bit on an angle and it's not straight, leaning down. Let's set it properly. Here's the old scratch marks where the bracket was in contact with the door panel. Let's just set it same way. Make sure it's in a happy spot. You can see exactly where it was rubbing. And now we can go and tighten it up. So just don't go too crazy. Okay. All right. Nice and tight. The operation. Yeah, everything's moving. It looks clean on the outside. Let's close the door and open it. Here we go. One more time. Nice, easy. And it opens. Beautiful. Lubricant is our best friend. I'm going to apply light coat of grease where arms are sliding. Like so. Much happier now. I was using silicone-based lubricating compound. Let's lube the pins a little bit. Just drop the oil here, and give a little here or here. Yeah. As you can see here, the plastic washer, don't need any lube here. Yeah, so nothing is moving, and we can just give a little bit to the lock jaws. Yeah, don't need much, just enough to keep everything as well lubed. Whatever's on outside, okay, well, just wipe it. Oh yeah, I can feel it. Much less resistance. Yeah, as you can see, everything's lubed. Nice. 3-in-1. Lubricates, penetrates, cleans. This is pretty nice lubricant. I'm going to install the back panel, and the handle installation is in reverse to removal. Yeah, that's it, guys. Very easy, very simple. If this video is helpful, that's great. I know it might help someone one day. Who knows? Yeah. Closed, locked, and open. Stays closed and opens. Nice. Now door opens with one finger. Easy. Very nice. Take care, everybody. We'll see you next one. Bye-bye.